Okay, so my topic name is the energy crisis and the demand for affordable and clean energy. So the teaching objective is about work and energy, and then in SDGs I'm choosing number 7, affordable and clean energy. And then the subject of student is 10th grade, and then the keyword of that is law of energy, crisis of energy, and saving energy. So I'm starting by analyzing the problem 5 minutes, and then self-regulated learning for 10 minutes, brainstorming for 10 minutes, and testing the solution for 5 minutes. So the process of that is from the Wilai I adopt from that. So we are starting from analyzing the problem. So we send student two problem. The first problem is humans are highly dependent on fossil fuel for most of energy supply. However, supply of non-renewable non-renewable energy sources may even reach a limit point. And then the problem too, if humans want to continue to use energy as it is today, we need to make change to use energy more efficient and provide additional renewable energy resources. Then we are asking to students using CCR, how did you get to school today? How did you get to school today? And then walking or using vehicle. Or what energy did you use this morning to get ready for school? Are you using cold or hot water? And cook using wood or electricity? And then where did that energy come from? That kind of question. And then what if suddenly no electricity for 1 year? So basically, that is the question that we can ask in CCR. So for the next step, we try to have self-regulated learning. So we assign students in a group. So the self-regulated learning is starting by working on small group. So we assign students to have different group, and then with a small group, they need to pick an Asian country of interest, researching this country and link with the know and or need to know about the energy use, and then to take into account the following like history, geography, economy, and current energy sources. And then students need to discuss directly, uh, face to face with other students. If student shy and tend to not discuss, maybe chatting in CCR will be better in this case. So they need to pick Asian country of interest. For example, we can choose Qatar here. So we can choose Qatar here. So student in a small group, they need to discuss the history, geography, economy, and current energy sources. For example, in history, we can see little is known of car history before 19th century, when the region population consists of largely of Bedouin nomad. And then in terms of economic, maybe they can discuss the economy of Qatar is one of the highest in the world based on GDP per capita, ranking generally among the top 10 richest country in the world, ranking for 2015 and 2016. Petroleum and natural gas are the cornerstone of Qatar economy and account for more than 70% of total government revenue. And the current energy sources, they need to discuss this one also. So the primary economic consumption in Qatar in 2021 was dominated by natural gases, followed by oil. So they need to discuss the current energy sources of that country. And then another step, after we have self-regulated learning, they need to brainstorm and discuss to choose the best solution of clean energy for specific country. For example, in Qatar, they need to choose whether solar energy panel will suitable or water plant will be suitable for Qatar. So I think in this case, solar energy panel will be better for Qatar. And then they need to after that they need to present some finding of that, and then other students need to give survey for uh, um, uh, teacher can give survey thought before discussion. So what is your personal solution for possible clean energy? Then we can show the result for reference for all students. Then after that, uh, students need to discuss about fossil fuel is serious global issue, and then the action to reduce personal energy consumption, and then use mathematics, graph, computation, and model to discuss the possibility of clean energy sources in that specific country. After getting satisfied or acceptable solution, the group review and give the feedback as the final process. So finally, they need to testing the solution of what they are um, propose. So we can deciding what the group solution for possible clean energy of specific country, whether suitable or not, by voting after the discussion. For example, a group of Qatar, they will present, okay, our solution for that will be the solar panel, and then others will vote whether they are agree to that solution or not, and then they criticize each other. So each country propose their ideas, and then other students criticize whether support or not with their ideas. Then finally, teachers also need to emphasize how our personal choice affect the future of world economy, including world energy. And then making smart energy decisions today are beneficial for future. I think that's all from my presentation.